What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl BG55 and the BG50. Now I know this one's going to get used tomorrow because I know since that this one's going to get used because like I said, this one has been started for like 2 weeks I think. And we don't know if this one still runs, but this one people will probably use next weekend exactly like that because you know how I suspect it's which is it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much suspected this machine's been used almost quite a bit. But the both will get used again this weekend. This one is going to get used this weekend. I know that 2019 model is going to get used coming. It did use tonight until this rain stuff like you could see right there. But as you can see, this is not a bad looking machine in my opinion. So they both will get used again this weekend. I know since they decided how much respected this thing, it's not that bad in my opinion, but you can see how much respected this machine is which it's definitely looks very nicely in my opinion, but you can see how much respected this machine is because both of these will get used again this weekend. I know that since this one here you can see, but I know this one's gonna have a crack in the primer board, but you can see because well, you know, it's dying to have a crack in the pipe, which is actually not that bad in my opinion. But you can see how much respected this machine is, like you can see. But you know how much respected both of these, like you can see by BG50, because I know this one's probably going to get used next weekend. I know that, and the same thing with the BG56, which is definitely respected things, like which so this one's going to get used this weekend, and then the next weekend probably use on this one right here, which is definitely how much respected this thing, like which is definitely. They both will get used again this weekend. So I know this is respected, but this is a very nice looking blowers.